Hi guys, are you a medical graduate or a student who is searching for that ideal plan to crack the much coveted PG entrance exams? Or if you're someone who's already devised a plan for yourself, have you ever got confused at any stage of your preparation as to whether your plan could help you learn enough before that D-Day? Well, if your answer is yes to any of these questions, be happy, you've definitely ended up at the right place. Here at Medpg, we give you the Curated test series. Now, as the name suggests, it's a test series. Yes, tons of question papers, but you could easily get them from other places too. So, what makes Medpg's Curated test series different from others? Now, Medpg actually gives you a set of focused and refined collection of question papers which are prepared by the subject experts and made subject-wise and covering all the 19 subjects from the syllabus. And our experts had gone through the past 3 to 5 years of question papers of NEET as well as other major national level PG entrance exams, and we could identify certain points, certain topics from where questions often tend to be repeatedly asked. Now these are like the soft nuts. Without cracking them, there's no point in going behind and trying to crack the hard nuts, which are the tough and high level kind of questions. So, in our Curated test series, we help you to understand when you've learnt enough from a particular subject or a topic that is in identifying the end point of learning in every subject. Along with that, we also help you to understand whether you're on the right track, whether you're on the right pace of your revision strategy as well. So, how do we do this? Now, we do this by providing you with 3 strata of question papers. First is the level A set of question papers comprising of 100 questions from the major subjects and 50 questions from the minor subjects, and this is the most important set among all. You know why? Because in level A, we are assessing the basics, the things that everybody is supposed to be knowing for the exams. And if you can score a minimum of 60 to 70% score in these papers, it means you've done quite a good job in that subject, enough of it, and you can move on to your next subject. But at the same time, you should remember that the questions that you go wrong, you should definitely go back to your notes or our notes or videos and get the mistakes clarified, because our papers are crafted in such a way that each question is a representative of each topic from the syllabus, and there shouldn't be any compromise on that. And if you can still maintain that 60 to 70% score I was talking about initially, then definitely at Medpg we can guarantee you that a rank within the top 5,000 is on your way only. And then after that, we also provide you with a second set, that is a level B set of question papers, which you're supposed to be solving after your second round of revision. And again, like I said, that 60 to 70% clean score, if you can maintain, it's a sign that you're on the right track and you can move ahead. And then the last set comes towards the end of the course, where we give you a set of grand tests. These are like mock NEET kind of exams, just to evaluate how well you're equipped for that final showdown. So friends, if you're ready to give your heart and soul towards achieving the dream PG seat, always know that we at Medpg are here to help you out at any stage of your preparation. And the Curated test series of ours is one among the many ways in which we help you towards your goal. Here's Medpg wishing you all the very best. Thank you.